Do you want this?
Alright. We want to go inside and discover the secret. No filling. We got 2 adults and 2 kids.
Kitchen for you.
Tonight, my heart's beating just for you. I'm dancing right here just for you. Make me feel, you make me feel.
You put it in the museum and people are gonna pay to watch it. So, people are gonna pay to see you. Should be a school. Often in 8. This is how they write words. Yeah, 2 per.
We stand together. We'll make it through the night. The world is ours for the taking. If only for tonight. My heart's beating. Make me feel.
That looks like a regular day violin, but the case is different.
Wow, that's cool. Show mommy, right? One at a time. One person at a time. Everyone will have a turn.
Nice.
Yeah, good job.
You're not the type to go out, to keep on searching, lost in the moment right now. But girl, you're hiding, and I have been looking so long. I know you feel it. What are we waiting for? And nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Don't stop the feeling. Don't stop the feeling. I know that I made up my mind. You made it for me. You're something that I can't describe. And why can't you see that I have been searching so long? No time was wasted. What are we waiting for? And nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling.